This short video shows how to install ARP Sentinel beaded half round sealant injected gutter system. The unions are supplied pre-fitted with a gasket. This enables or creates a void for the sealant to be applied to. In the base of the union there are two holes to inject the sealant through, and at the front and rear of the union there are little bleed holes to allow the sealant to appear once the joint is fully filled. Ensuring that the joint to be fitted is clean, make sure there's no debris in the area where the joint is to be installed. Using a proprietary cleaner, solvent cleaner, wipe both sides of the joint. And then carefully placing the union into the rear face of the gutter, centralising the union before clipping down into the front face. After ensuring that the union is in place and is fully clipped in the both front and rear grooves of the gutter, you can then carry on with installing the sealant. Before installing the sealant, make sure that the end of the nozzle is cut to suit the size of the aperture in the base of the union. And also try, if possible, to keep the nozzle vertical. When applying the sealant, squeeze gently. As the sealant is applied, you will see the sealant appear in the front and rear bleed holes. As soon as that appears, there is adequate sealant in the joint. So, to apply the sealant, after the nozzle has been cut, place the sealant gun into the first hole in the base of the gutter and gently apply the sealant. As you can see, the sealant has now appeared at the front and rear of the gutter, so we can now carry on with the application to the second side of the union. Gently fill in the void. And that completes the installation of a union.